Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
I am Nitesh Parasha, and we are now in our school, Vidyasthali Public School, and we are going to organize a science exhibition fair and book fair, and also art and craft fair in the school. So, I am the class teacher of class 10. So, my dear students just have made a model.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
That is a very
ma'am.
dashing one. I would like to ask my students, firstly Ria Mudgal and then Kushi Modi, what is this, Ria?
This is a hydraulic bridge which we were made, and this is based upon the Pascal law, which is the working process behind this hydraulic bridge. And this hydraulic bridge is hydraulic motor and hydraulic cylinder are the two important components which is used for powering powering the bridge by using hydraulic. As Ria mentioned that this hydraulic bridge works on the principle of Pascal. When we'll exert the pressure on the both sides of bridge, the path from the middle side of the bridge there will be a path from which the ship can pass like this.
Very good.
Excellent.
I would like to praise it very much.
Thank you.
So the another aspect of this bridge or the principle of Pascal, this model, I would like to ask Hemani about the beneficials.
Hydraulically assisted bridge is a new concept in which incorporates an integrated hydraulic system into the bridge. It is very useful when an overloaded or a big ship go pass through by this bridge, so that it can very easily pass through by this bridge. So it is very useful when we transport very large amount of goods and services.